Welcome, welcome, welcome. Today is Haitian Medical Creole Lesson 2. I have some great stuff coming for you guys, releasing one Haitian Medical Creole lesson once a month. Stay tuned, subscribe so you guys can stay up to date. Let's go ahead and get started. This is the second lesson. If you haven't seen the first lesson yet, you can browse through the channel and you'll find it right on here. So today we're going to do a little bit of anatomy, body parts. So we're going to do the outside today, and in future lesson I'll be sure to cover some of the internal organs in our anatomy lesson. So body parts, pati, corps, pati, corps, head, tête, 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 face, figi, 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 chest, l'estomac, 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 arm, bras, 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 abdomen, ventre, 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 legs, jambe, 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 foot, pied, 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 brain, cerveau, 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 ears, oreilles, 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 eyes, yeux, 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 nose, nez, 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 mouth, bouche, 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 breast, té, 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 hands, main, 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 umbilicus or belly button, lombrite, 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 fingernails, zongme, 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 toenails, zong pied, zong pied, zong pied. And now on to learning some new words so we can use them in sentences that will be practiced using the vocabularies that we just learned from the anatomy of the outside of the body. Pain, douleur, 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 lump, boule, 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 dry, sèche, 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 stuffy. Boucher. Boucher. Hemorrhage. Hémorragie or sang qui gagne. Hémorragie or sang qui gagne. Hémorragie or sang qui gagne. Do you have abdominal pain? Ou gen douleur nan ventre? Ou gen douleur nan ventre? Ou gen douleur nan ventre? You have a lump in your breast. Ou gen yon boule nan tete ou. Ou gen yon boule nan tete ou. Ou gen yon boule nan tete ou. Is your mouth dry? Est-ce que bouche ou sèche? Est-ce que bouche ou sèche? Est-ce que bouche ou sèche? Do you have a stuffy nose? Est-ce que néon bouché? Est-ce que néon bouché? Est-ce que néon bouché? He has a brain hemorrhage. Li gen hémorragie nan cerveau or li gen sang qui gagne nan cerveau. Li gen hémorragie nan cerveau. Li gen sang qui gagne nan cerveau. Li gen hémorragie nan cerveau. Or li gen sang qui gagne nan cerveau. Thank you for joining us. This marked the end of this lesson. Don't forget to come back next month for another Haitian medical Creole lesson. I hope you enjoy. Please provide us with feedback, comment, and subscribe, commenter, et abonner so you guys can get more lesson in this upcoming Haitian medical Creole lesson series. Ciao.